Okay, here's a little help for anyone that needs some with this evening's homework, which has to do with filling in the tables that we've been working on in class. Size of pizza, area of pizza, cost of pizza, and the cost per square inch. So if you're a little bit confused, feel free to watch this video, and hopefully I can answer a couple questions that you may have. So here's the first piece. In order to get the cost per square inch, which is this little section on the end, the very first thing that we're going to need to do is to get the area of the pizza. So as you remember from class, the area of the pizza is the radius times the radius times 3.14, or pi. And in this particular problem, we've got a 10-inch pizza, so that's the diameter, right? So the radius is going to be half of that. So we are looking at 5 times 5 times 3.14. That's going to be the very first step in all of these problems, is to start with the area of the pizza. So the area here is going to be 78.5 inches squared. Hopefully you remember from class that the cost per square inch is the cost of the pizza divided by the area of the pizza. So you need to know this right here. It's the cost divided by the area. And we're simply going to plug this in. So I'm going to pick this up in this box. The cost of the pizza, $8. And I'm going to divide that by the area, which is up here. I'm going to take this amount and divide the $8 by 78.5. When I do the division here, and please use a calculator, I end up with 0.1019, right? And remember, you can stop at the fourth digit. Stop there at this 9, which is the 10,000th place. Hopefully you also remember from class, this was one of the confusing pieces, you are now going to round. And you need to round to the thousandths place. Okay, the thousandths place, I'm going to round this to the thousandths place. That means I am rounding to this 1. And in order to round there, I need to take a look at this number and ask myself if it's going to change the 1, and it is, since it's 5 or greater. So the answer to this problem is going to be 0.102. This was a bit confusing today, but that 0.102, this amount right here is in dollars. And we want to change that into cents. So hopefully you can remember this from today, but we took the decimal point and moved it 2 places. So the answer to this problem is 10.2 cents, that's the cost, per square inch. This is my answer. Hopefully that helps you out getting through this last section for each of your tables, the cost per square inch or the price per square inch.